Alright, so I thought this was just a good way to strum the chords for this tune. Before we get started, please hit the like and subscribe so I can keep making these videos for you all, and let's get into it. So I just threw a capo on first fret. Everything's just standard tuning. And I'm going to start on a C shape. So index finger goes on first fret of the B, middle finger second fret of the D, ring finger third fret of the A. So the strum pattern I'm using is just pretty simple. So that's just down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. So what you're going to do though is you're going to do down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. And then you got to do a quick down, up, down, up, down, up. Real slow. Alright. Alright, then you're going to do that again. Alright. Then we're going to go into the verse. So the verse is so what I'm doing there, still same first chord, C, and you're going to do the same strum pattern. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Then you're going to go to a G. All I'm doing is just hop ring finger up to third fret of the low E and add pinky third fret of the high E. See if you can mute out the A, maybe with the bottom of your ring finger. And you're going to go down, down, up, down. We're going to go to F, F major 7, so index finger hops back to first fret of the B, middle finger second fret of the G, ring finger third fret of the A, pinky third fret of the D. And try to mute out low E if you can with maybe the top of your ring finger or your thumb kind of touching it. Let the high E ring open. Same strum pattern. Then we're going to go back to C. C to G, so down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So it kind of combines two chords, but the same strum pattern. So one more time, the verse. Then there's a pre-chorus. So what I'm doing there is a D minor shape. Index finger first fret of the high E, middle finger second fret of the G, ring finger third fret of the B. And I try to focus my strum from the A to the high E. So we're going to go, and we're going to switch to that F major 7. Sorry. Then C. To G. So again, we're splitting the strum pattern up between two chords, D to F major, or D minor to F major 7, C to G. Alright, then the chorus. same strum concept here. We're going to go C, D minor to F major 7, C, D minor, F major 7. Except right here we're going to go A minor, G, F major 7. Alright, so A minor, pretty close to all these other chords we've been playing. Index finger, first fret of B, middle finger, second fret of D, ring finger, second fret of G. Alright, and you're going to go to that G, F major 7. So one more time, the full chorus, just play it a little slower. You got... I think that might be a spit you back out into a re-intro there. I think. But that should be all the pieces to the puzzle. If you just learn how to play those sections, you should be able to apply it to the rest of the song. So if this was helpful for you, please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.